After the age of 60, your kidneys have already done decades of hard work, filtering your blood over 50 times every single day, balancing electrolytes, managing blood pressure, and removing toxins quietly behind the scenes. But here's something most people don't realize. As we age, our kidneys lose efficiency. The small filters, called nephrons, can get damaged over time due to diet, medications, and lifestyle stress. Now, the good news, what you eat after 60 can either protect those kidneys or push them into overload. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what to eat, specifically the 4 best meats and 2 miracle fruits that can help protect and strengthen your kidneys naturally. So if you or someone you love is over 60, stay with me until the end. You're about to discover foods that may help your kidneys last stronger, longer, and cleaner than ever before. You probably heard all kinds of confusing advice online. Some say, don't eat meat at all, or others say, eat only lean protein. But the truth is, not all meats are created equal. Some can be harmful to your kidneys, while others actually support them by providing clean protein and vital nutrients that reduce inflammation. So, let's begin with our first powerhouse meat, one that most people completely overlook. Number 1, wild-caught salmon. When we talk about kidney health, we're not just talking about avoiding sodium, we're also talking about reducing inflammation. Chronic inflammation damages those microscopic filters in your kidneys, and salmon is a superstar here. Wild-caught salmon is one of the richest natural sources of omega-3 fatty acids, especially EPA and DHA. These healthy fats reduce inflammation throughout the body, improve blood circulation to the kidneys, and may help control blood pressure, which is a key factor in kidney aging. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, but doctor, isn't salmon high in protein? Isn't that bad for kidneys? Excellent question. Here's the truth. Too much protein can stress weak kidneys, but the right kind of protein, especially from sources like salmon, is easier to digest lower in harmful residues and packed with anti-inflammatory compounds that actually protect the kidney tissue. Let's go deeper for a second. A 2021 study from the Journal of Renal Nutrition found that seniors who replaced red meat with fatty fish 2 to 3 times per week had significantly lower creatinine levels and better glomerular filtration rate, GFR, a key measure of kidney performance. That's because the omega-3s help regulate something called the renin-angiotensin system, which plays a major role in blood pressure control and kidney protection. You don't need to eat it daily. 2 servings per week, about 4 ounces each, is ideal, and always choose wild-caught over farm-raised salmon. Why? Farm-raised salmon often contains more pollutants, antibiotics, and omega-6 fats, which can actually increase inflammation. Bake, grill, or steam your salmon with herbs like dill, turmeric, or garlic. These add extra kidney-friendly antioxidants. Avoid frying it in heavy oils or adding salty marinades. And here, as a bonus, pairing salmon with a squeeze of lemon juice not only boosts flavor, it also increases vitamin C, helping your body fight oxidative stress. Wild salmon also contains astaxanthin, a powerful antioxidant that gives it that rich orange-pink color. Studies show astaxanthin protects kidney cells from oxidative damage, particularly in aging adults. So when you're over 60, think of salmon as your kidney's best ocean friend. Clean protein, rich omega-3s, low toxins, high protection. If you're vegetarian or can't access salmon, you can get similar omega-3 benefits from chia seeds, flaxseed oil, or walnuts. But remember, those provide ALA-type omega-3s, which convert less efficiently than the ones found in salmon. Less inflammation, better filtration, and a healthier heart-kidney connection after 60. Our second meat is simple but powerful. Skinless chicken breast. Now, I know chicken sounds ordinary, but when it comes to senior kidney health, the right kind of chicken can be one of your safest, most versatile sources of protein. As we age, we lose muscle mass, a condition called sarcopenia. Low muscle mass can slow your metabolism, weaken your immunity, and actually make your kidneys work harder because your body becomes less efficient at processing waste. Skinless chicken breast gives you high-quality protein that helps maintain muscle strength without overloading your kidneys with phosphorus or saturated fats. Compare that to red meats like beef or mutton. Those are heavier in creatinine-producing compounds and purines, which can strain the kidneys. Chicken is cleaner, lighter, and more balanced for seniors. Lean protein helps maintain GFR and muscle health. Low phosphorus. Unlike organ meats or red meats, chicken breast doesn't spike phosphorus, which can harm weak kidneys. Rich in B vitamins, especially niacin and B6, vital for energy metabolism and nerve function. For seniors above 60, about 3 to 4 ounces per meal, 2 to 3 times a week, is ideal. Cooked right, it's gentle on digestion and doesn't trigger excess urea buildup. Boil, steam, grill, or bake your chicken with anti-inflammatory spices like turmeric, black pepper, and garlic. Avoid commercial sauces or seasonings loaded with sodium or MSG. Here's an easy kidney-safe recipe. 1 skinless chicken breast, High ESP olive oil, pinch of turmeric and garlic powder, steamed broccoli or carrots on the side. Simple, tasty, and protective. A clinical study in 2022 by the American Journal of Kidney Disease found that elderly participants who consumed moderate portions of lean white meat had better kidney filtration scores and lower blood urea nitrogen levels than those who followed high red meat diets. That S, because white meats like chicken release less uric acid during metabolism, reducing the load on the kidneys. Don't buy pre-marinated or processed chicken. Many are injected with sodium phosphate or flavor enhancers. Those additives can silently raise your sodium intake by up to 40%, leading to fluid retention and pressure on your kidneys. Always look for fresh, unprocessed, skinless chicken. You can even make a light chicken soup with turmeric, ginger, and low-sodium broth. It's soothing, hydrating, and kidney-friendly, especially in winter. Remember, hydration is key for kidney filtration, and soup counts toward fluid intake. Combine chicken with kidney-friendly sides. Think boiled sweet potatoes, cauliflower mash, or brown rice. These foods help balance electrolytes and give you steady energy without spiking phosphorus or potassium too high. Ideal intake, 3 to 4 Oz per meal, twice or thrice weekly. Preparation tip, grill, bake, or boil. Skip the deep fryer. So we've covered 2 of the most kidney-friendly meats, wild salmon for omega-3 anti-inflammation, and chicken breast for lean muscle protection. But the next 2 might surprise you, especially the third one, which comes from the sea but isn't a fish. Number 3, shrimp and prawns. Yes, seafood again, but this time we're looking at the leanest form of marine protein that delivers a unique combination of low fat, high protein, and trace minerals crucial for senior kidney function. People often fear shrimp because of cholesterol, but here's the fact. Dietary cholesterol from seafood doesn't automatically raise blood cholesterol for most people, and for seniors. With moderate kidney decline, shrimps can actually be a safer protein option than heavy red meats. Shrimp is extremely rich in selenium, an antioxidant mineral that protects kidney tissues from oxidative stress. Selenium deficiency in older adults is directly linked with higher inflammation markers and faster kidney aging. It's also packed with vitamin B12 and iodine, both essential for maintaining metabolism and hormonal balance, which indirectly reduce strain on your kidneys. Each 3-ounce portion provides about 20 grams of protein with minimal fat, meaning your kidneys don't have to work overtime to process excess nitrogen waste. Keep it simple. Steam or saute in olive oil with garlic, parsley, and lemon. Avoid heavy batter or salty sauces. If you use frozen shrimp, always rinse under cold water to remove any preservative residue. A 2020 study in Nutrients Journal showed that elderly adults who consumed low-fat seafood 3 times per week had significantly better kidney filtration markers compared to those eating processed meat. Shrimp, because of its amino acid profile and low phosphorus to protein ratio, was found among the top performers. If you have gout or high uric acid, limit shrimp to once per week. Otherwise, twice a week, 3 to 4 Oz servings is perfect. And always choose wild-caught or responsibly farmed shrimp to avoid antibiotic residues. Ideal intake, 2 meals per week. Preparation, steam or grill with herbs and lemon. And our final meat, one that underrated but outstanding for kidney and heart health after 60, turkey. Turkey is a complete protein rich in all essential amino acids but lower in fat than beef or lamb. It's also high in tryptophan and zinc, which support immune balance, something seniors really need for reducing infections that can affect the kidneys. Lower sodium and phosphorus than most processed meats. Rich in selenium and iron, supporting healthy red blood cells. High protein to fat ratio, helping maintain muscle without overload. Choose skinless turkey breast. Dark meat is fine occasionally, but higher in fat. Bake or grill with olive oil and herbs instead of salt. Ground turkey can replace beef in cutlets or kebabs, a desi-friendly twist for South Asian seniors who love flavor but need kidney-safe meals. Add coriander, turmeric, and a little yogurt. Skip the heavy cream or butter. A study from Clinical Nutrition ESPN 2023 observed that older adults with mild kidney disease who consumed lean poultry proteins like turkey maintained higher albumin levels, a key sign of healthy protein status without elevating creatinine. So, yes, turkey isn't just for holidays. It can be a weekly habit. Ideal intake, once or twice a week, 4 Oz servings. Cooking, bake, marsh or grill, stir fry with turmeric and herbs. You know that old saying, an apple a day keeps the doctor away? Well, in this case, it might just keep the nephrologist away too. Apples are one of the most kidney-friendly fruits for seniors. They're low in potassium compared to bananas, high in fiber, pectin, and packed with antioxidants like quercetin that reduce inflammation in kidney tissue. The soluble fiber binds to cholesterol and toxins in the intestines, helping the body excrete waste before it reaches the kidneys. That means your kidneys have less cleanup work to do. In addition, apples help control blood sugar, and since diabetes is the leading cause of kidney damage after 60, stable sugar means longer kidney life. One medium apple daily, with peel, if pesticide-free, gives maximum benefit. You can eat it raw, bake it with cinnamon, or blend into a smoothie with oats. A 2019 review in Frontiers in Nutrition found that seniors who consumed 4 to 5 servings of antioxidant-rich fruits per week, especially apples and berries, had a 30% lower risk of developing chronic kidney disease. Apples reduce C-reactive protein, a key inflammation marker tied to kidney decline. Pro tip, pair your apple with a handful of unsalted walnuts or chia pudding. The fiber-fat combo slows sugar absorption even more. Avoid apple juice. It's high in sugar and low in fiber. Go for whole fruit every time. Best time to eat, morning or mid-snack between meals. And here comes one of the world's most powerful kidney protectors in a tiny package, blueberries. These little blue gems are bursting with anthocyanins, compounds that repair oxidative damage in the microcapillaries of your kidneys. They improve blood flow within kidney tissues. They reduce fibrosis, the hardening of kidney tissue linked to aging. They're low in potassium and sodium. The deep blue pigment isn't just pretty, it's medicine. Anthocyanins act like internal shields for your kidney cells. In one study from the American Society of Nephrology, 2020, participants over 60 who ate a cup of blueberries daily for 12 weeks showed a significant drop in blood pressure and improved GFR scores. Fresh is best, but frozen works too. Add 1:2 to 1 cup to your breakfast oatmeal, smoothie, or yogurt. Avoid sugary berry syrups or jams. They defeat the purpose. Try mixing apple and blueberries together in a fruit bowl. The fiber from apple and antioxidants from blueberry create a synergistic kidney shield. Ideal intake, 1 cup daily or 4 times a week. All right, we've covered your 4 meats and 2 fruits, but the truth is, even the best foods won't work if your daily habits are hurting your kidneys. So let us wrap up with 5 quick but powerful lifestyle shifts that can double the benefits of these foods. 1. Hydrate. Smartly. Don't just drink a lot, drink consistently. Aim for small sips throughout the day, not huge gulps at once. Your kidneys filter better when hydration is steady. Add a slice of lemon or mint to water for flavor and alkalizing effect. Avoid soda and sweet juices. They increase acid load. 2. Move every day. You don't need a gym. A 30-minute brisk walk or gentle yoga improves circulation and kidney perfusion. Movement helps control blood pressure, the number 1 enemy of aging kidneys. 3. Prioritize sleep. Your kidneys regenerate during deep sleep. Aim for 7-8 hours nightly. Avoid late-night heavy meals and reduce screen time an hour before bed. 4. Limit salt and processed foods. High sodium causes water retention and hypertension. Check labels. Anything over 200 milliliters of sodium per serving adds up fast. Flavor your food with herbs like basil, cilantro, and turmeric instead. 5. Review your medications. Many painkillers and antacids stress kidneys when taken daily. Always consult your doctor about safe alternatives and dosages. Include short fasting windows, like 12 hours overnight, to let your kidneys rest from constant filtration, but never fast without medical guidance. Stress raises cortisol, which constricts blood vessels to the kidneys. Try deep breathing, morning gratitude, and social connection. These are as important as what you eat. Well, let us recap everything we've learned today because I want you to remember these foods and habits every time you eat. Top 4. Kidney-friendly meats. After 60, wild-caught salmon. Anti-inflammatory omega-3 powerhouse. Skinless chicken breast. Lean protein to maintain muscle. Shrimp and prawns. Low-fat sea protein rich in selenium. Turkey breast. Complete protein that's light on the kidneys. Top 2. Fruits for kidney protection apples. Fiber-rich detoxifier that balances blood sugar. Blueberries. Antioxidant and anti-aging superfruit for filtration health. Combine these with smart hydration, daily movement, good sleep, and low-salt habits, and use giving your kidneys a gift that money can buy, longevity. If you found value in this video, please take a moment to like it, because that tells YouTube to show it to more seniors who need this information. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more science-backed senior health tips every week. In our next episode, we'll talk about 5 hidden habits that secretly damage kidneys after 60. Things you never guess are hurting your filtration system. So stay tuned, stay hydrated, and take care of your amazing kidneys, because they've always been taking care of you for a lifetime.